Hello students. Today it is also a trigonometric problem, but this problem is very complicated, most complicated problem, and it may come in the examination. This type of problems may come. What is the identity here? It is to be proved 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square by 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta. This is not so easy. Just you know what is conjugate. Here the conjugate, it is to be multiplied both side numerator denominator by conjugate of this denominator. Here what is the conjugate of this denominator? 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta is the conjugate of this denominator. So you will have to multiply both numerator and denominator by this conjugate and then proceed. So you will see what I am doing. It's a big one. 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta into 1 plus sin theta plus minus cos theta. It is the conjugate of the denominator. 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta into 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Whole of the square. Here it is square given, so it is the left hand side. So it is a big one. What I will do, here I am doing, here it is a minus b into a minus b, that is a minus b whole square. I can write 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square divided by a plus b into a minus b, that is with conjugate it will be a square minus b square, that is 1 plus sin theta whole square minus cos square theta whole square. Now do it. It is a minus b whole square. So a plus b, that is 1 plus sin theta whole square plus cos square theta minus 2 into 1 plus sin theta into cos theta, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab divided by, this is a plus b whole square 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus cos square theta, we can write 1 minus sin square theta, because our aim is to convert it all the things denominator all in the same sign, that is eliminating cos, it will be converted into sin. That will be very helpful in here. This is again a plus b whole square, that is 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta plus cos square theta minus 2 into 1 into sin theta, that is minus 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta divided by, here you will get 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus 1 plus sin square theta. So here minus 1 plus 1 cross out. You will get here 1 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Again 1 plus these 2 sin theta minus, here if you take cos theta minus 2 cos theta common, you will get 1 plus sin theta divided by, here sin square theta plus sin square theta, 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta. So in this case it is 2 plus 2 sin theta, here 1 plus 1 2, 2 sin theta minus 2 cos theta into, but here remember it will be all square, it will be all square, it will be all square, whole square, it will be all whole square, it will be 2 cos theta 1 plus sin theta divided by 2 sin theta. If it is taken common, you will get sin theta plus 1. Now here if take, it is also whole square. Now come here, if you come here, now taken 2 as a common, 1 plus sin theta minus 2 cos theta into 1 plus sin theta by 2 sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. This is whole square. Now you will get, if 2 into sin theta, 2 into 1 plus sin theta common, 1 plus sin theta, if it is taken common, you will get 1 minus cos theta divided by 2 sin theta into 1 plus sin theta whole square. Now this is cancel out, this is cancel out. What you will get? You will get, do you see? It is a very good sum. It may come, I am telling. This is 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by 1 plus sin theta. Sorry. This one is not. This is sin theta. It is cut out. This is cut out. That is 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta. Sin square theta. Now it is 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. So you will get 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, because here a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, here a minus b whole square, that is a minus b into a minus b. So here it is cancel out. You will get 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So it is right hand side proved. So it's a huge equation. If you do not follow this rule, follow this method of solution, it may be complicated in between. So this type of conjugate, making it conjugate and then multiplication and reducing it to the ultimate solution, I think it is very helpful to you. And next time I will give more complicated questions which are compatible with the coming examination for both CBSE and ICSE. Please follow this type of solutions, this type of problems. You will follow me, share and also like, do it immediately. So I will get encouragement for giving you more this type of problems and solutions. Okay, today up to this.